My name is Jim Herman, and I'm the instructor for the Great Lakes Seminar's treatment of the lumbar complex. I'm oftentimes asked, what's special about this course? Well, I can say from experience, when I got out of school, I really didn't know how to look at the low back dysfunctions and more or less how to treat them specifically. What I loved about this course when I took this course back, 20 years ago, was it was condensed and it was in a nice, manageable, usable package. The instructor showed me how to look at dysfunction, and I actually put my hands on my patient's back and I could feel and see the dysfunction. They taught us a naming for the system, and from there they gave us a series of treatment tools. What was great was I had options. Once I had the positional faults and dysfunctions in sight, I knew what I needed to do to treat it. And then we also went over soft tissue dysfunction and gave me different options to treat using different soft tissue techniques. And so what I loved about this course was how user-friendly it was. I went into the clinic on Monday, even though I was fresh out of the course, but I felt confident that I could use the material right away, and I did. That's probably what I loved most about this course. Therapists that have taken this course, since I've been teaching this course, oftentimes find the material very usable. I use it every day in the clinic, and what I hear oftentimes from clinicians that are in here is, it's a condensed package, the material makes sense, and it's largely because we go over key concepts and key principles so that the material is very clear to them. 3/4 of this course is literally hands-on, and you get a lot of feedback from the instructor, myself, on how to tweak the treatment techniques to make them more effective, more efficient. I also go over a lot of, from my experience, being a therapist for 23 years, what I see in the clinic on a day in, day out basis. And so you don't have the steep learning curve that I might have had using this material. I want to make it a little bit easier for you. Okay? We'd love to see you take this course, and I'd love to see you at the next class that I teach. Thank you.